Hello there. Today we're doing another unboxing of another Spider Silk product that has recently hit the market, a NATO watch strap from Omega. The watch strap itself is a Biosteel watch strap, and Biosteel is the trademark for AM Silk, a German company that produces spider silk made from E. coli bacteria, so made in the lab. The original Biosteel trademark is actually from Nexia Biotechnologies, a Canadian company which was trying to make synthetic spider silk from goat's milk. I'm sure you've heard of the spider goats. And unfortunately they went out of business back in the early 2000s, but AM Silk was able to purchase the trademark and start creating spider silk using their methods. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and unbox this thing. Picture, it's hard to get with both my hands. Alright. And a big box. Well, another just the outer box. Alright, so they have it protected with some bubble wrap. They have a little card here on the inside, and the watch strap itself. It looks like there's something else in there as well, a little customer service guide. Just talks about service warranty, information about your purchase, talking about care for the watch. And I did purchase this on the US site. There is a site in Europe that also has the watch available. Anyway, so going first, we'll go ahead and open the card and see what's in here. Okay. That looks like it's got some information on it. Just basically the price and my receipt, and then whatever this card is. Congratulations on your new Omega timepiece. All products are meticulously crafted with you in mind. Since 1848, Omega's been synonymous with the luxury timekeeping. We have a rich history, switch watchmaking, and technological achievements that are heritage to the brand. We hope you enjoy your Omega watches experience. Thank you, President Omega US. Well, I didn't actually purchase a timepiece, just the band, but it's probably something they put in with every purchase they have. So I'll go ahead and put everything back in here and get to what is probably the reason you actually are watching this video. I can actually open this up. Okay. So, the box itself looks pretty plain, white. It's actually in a little, what do you call that? Cover. Omega. So, see, it just has a pretty simple cover, Omega. Then opening it up. Oh, this is pretty fancy. It's got a little case, red case. Nothing else in there. You can see the Omega mark there. A little zipper, keeping it closed. Pretty simple there. Alright. Well, there we go. This is actually, I think this just fell out. I don't know what this is for. Omega. Got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Look at this. Okay, this is probably tools to help install the the band to the actual watch. Let's go ahead and look at this. Just a NATO manual. And a little something there. It says in several languages, congratulations, you've chosen a truly authentic Omega product. Well, yay. Okay. Like I said, there's something here. I don't know what this is. So let's open it up and find out. There's something inside. If this even opens. I don't think it opens. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I'll have to play with it later. And then I got this thing, which is something that just fell on the floor. It looks like a little screwdriver kind of thing. Oh yeah, it's got some sort of really fine tip on there. So, there's that. And then the watch band itself. This is the part that's made of the actual Spider Silk products. The NATO watch band. It's pretty expensive. About, I think, $250 or something like that. So, back side of it. Front. Yep. Pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Put my camera down for a bit to do that. Alright. Doesn't focus on it very well. It's nice, feels very smooth. Kind of like I don't know, polyester almost. But this is supposed to be pretty much just spider silk. So feels like it'd be very smooth on the wrist. And yeah, it does have a little Omega logo there on the end. If I can actually focus on it. But yeah, that's it. It looks like everything that's in there. That is the Spider Silk watch band from Omega, made from Biosteel AM Silk version of their Spider Silk. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.